this will be my 2024 family vacation vlog. In this vlog, y'all be seeing us do lots of fun things, celebrate my nephew's birthday, and really just spend time with family because that's the most important. So right now, we're just waiting on my mom and the rest of the family to get here to pick us up. I already volunteered to do first shift. I took like a 3-hour nap because I was like so tired. So honestly, I'm ready to get this drive over with. This is the on the road fit, honestly, y'all. I just got this shirt on from Shein, and these are the Savage X Fenty leggings that I wore to work the other day. I just washed them, and this is it really. And these are me and my sister's bags. These two are mine's, and these two are hers. And nope, she got her hair bag because everybody got their hair done. $20 Suburbans, we put up like Sunday service. I just one-on-one, don't know why she's so nervous. Yeah, we put up like Sunday service. Oh, I'm not that cute, bet you on that shit, boo. He get money, I get money too. Got us to North Carolina, yeah. Did that. I'm not gonna lie, I just legit woke up. But yeah, Chick-fil-A. I see the little palm trees in the back. We're getting close. I just don't know where we're at. Right there. You can wipe your mouth, you silly girl. Say hi. Hi, you blow kiss. Wow. Wow. Good job. You're so cute. Wow.
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, or you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna watch? Do I know what time it is right now? It's after 2 a.m. and that's asking a lot of you right now. All she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once.
Alright, y'all, we here. But this is not where we're actually going to be staying. We only staying here for one night, and then tomorrow we're going to get up and we're going to actually go to the other resort that we're actually staying at, because we decided to come here a day early, just so we wouldn't come here on my nephew's birthday. We were already here on my nephew's birthday. So I'm going to show y'all this resort right now.
You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All she ever said is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me.
Took a shower. Better go get some pizza and wings. Me and mucha mama. You want zipper nigga? Yo, I don't know if she wanted me to zip her or not.
You don't ever come to me. I've been up for 2 whole days thinking what I did to keep you going.
Which one is this? Oh, the time.
Oh wait, why you not in there?
You're not in there. Well, yeah, you're not in there.
Thumbing through the voicemails that you left me, telling me where I went wrong. I'll admit I'm sorry, and I'm truly sorry. Things change, people change, feelings change too. Never thought the circumstances would have changed too. You said you never traded, no. I believed you when they told me don't. But either way, you're still invited, and I can't even let you. I swear these days, all you say is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come.
Or now we're gonna go eat. It's birthday. And happy birthday to me. Yeah, go look around. You better stop for us and jump on us.
Pick it up, Brian.
Get it. You gotta be quick with it. You gotta be quick. Hurry up. You quick. You gotta be quick, right?
All she hit me with is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. Y'all never come to me. Y'all never come to me. Why you gotta start, girl? Why you gotta start? I know we make time for the things that we want. I know you got another nigga trying to play the part. Just cause he got a heart don't mean he got a heart. Could be standing in the field and he still ain't in the field. If anything should change, then I thought we had a deal. Lately you keep questioning what you get out the deal. Doing things to make me feel the way I make you feel. How hard is it to let you know when I'm coming home? That way you could be prepared. Maybe take a couple sick days and not miss pay. I don't even know what things are looking like inside of your place. Our house decorated. This thing is getting one-sided. I can't even lie to you right now. Yeah. All she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. Y'all never come to me. Y'all never come to me. Yeah. All she hear me.
I'm really like, I just hate my real life. Okay.
With us, come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me.
They getting baby suits and stuff. We need water, shoes, stuff to cook dinner. I mean, not dinner, breakfast. And to be honest, I don't know what else. I got so much stuff around here. Churro Mania? They actually look good with the chocolate, and they got empanadas.
Come on, Jasmine. And go.
We have fun spot. Yo, we have fun spot.
Yeah. Over broke.
Let's. Hey, yo. Oh.
I gotta make sure I get it though.
Is it you or is it him? Hey!
Oh. Look at my baby. Oh, he can run high five. Oh, she got. Oh, look, Rara said high five. Rara, look here. Rara, look. Oh. 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 Fun. All right. So this is fun, y'all. He about to go all the way up there. He's tripping. How old are you? 7.
I told you.
We out here. It's like 9 a.m. I'm going to get my package and we're going sightseeing. See what we got out here.
So what can I say to you? When I'm off day, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know the truth. I was always holding you down. You down. What it seems for this girl. What is love? What's that? Love, what is love? You believe it if I told you all about it. But our pressure just keep adding up. Then we just get mad and fuck. We was living fast and fast. Just don't get me high enough. All these people always lying about something. I'm sorry, I'm so fly, so what? Fuck, I'm gonna be sorry for.
I was counting zeros. I'm a hometown hero. Niggas green like CeeLo. These niggas do anything for some C-notes. At what cost?
Hit Mercedes, buy some free cars.
These niggas worse off. Maybe my sense of reality is turned off. Who the fuck knows? I just make songs. Who am I to sound this how this shit goes? That's sarcasm, by the way.
You wanna be my hero. You won't even do the hell. Oh, this shit don't add up. You don't even know the man. Who said it's gonna even last? Sometimes I wanna beat your ass. You know I won't do that. Oh, sorry I say that. Yeah. Swear fame ain't changed shit but my mind. See the pattern, can you think a nigga blowing time? Here's your blood. What we see ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love? What's that? What is love? Girl, what we see ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love? Love.
One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Seems like I can't get away from you. Broken hearts were made for two, I guess. And it's so confusing, finding the right ways to express. Being love, it's a fear, it's a drug we do, I guess. An addiction we won't admit. Maybe you should know this.
Baby food by scratch. Breast milk in and everything.
Oh, yeah, that's how
We
food
ain't had
go.
a baby since 2 years ago since Ryland. And it was a gap between Ryland and
I
Brandon.
got my little notes.
I ain't going, I ain't blowing no smoke. I mean, I've been sober, but you should've known it. I wasn't going. I know you noticed I've changed, but I'll be the one that always and forever.
Baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City.
You don't see.
No, 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. truck to the plane to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must've changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chug a look around. Find one that seem my type. Damn, my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
Movie night at the pool. Ooh, sorry. I definitely did not record today, but this is our last night. We drinking. We lit.
Let's go, Bray. Yeah. I see you, Shorty.
Everybody getting on the swings.
Bray. Say hi, Bray.
We just went to the pool today. Nothing major. I'm lit off this drink. So I know I look a mess because I don't have no lashes on, but I did not properly end out that video. I am ending the video out now. And if you guys love my family vacation vlog and you would love to see more, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you get notified every time I post. And I will see you guys in the next video.